Welcome back to my final morning report chart analysis video on Thursday the 29th of September with me, which is Pro-Market Analyst at Handset Markets. We're going to look at gold, and we are continuing to really test this bull trend. This bull trend that's been in place since December. Big blue uptrend line, and we are right bang on it as we speak. And this sort of medium-term consolidation is really sort of putting the bulls under pressure, the bull long-term arguments under pressure. And you sort of say there's nothing really that would suggest we're going to move out of that medium-term range. You've got the very neutral indicators, the RSI sort of rising at 40, falling at below 60. Stochastics have just rolled over to reflect these two bear candles that we've had in the last couple of days. Again, we're not really seeing too much traction today. A very neutral candle that we're seeing testing this bull trend. You've also got the 89-day moving average, which on several occasions in the last sort of few months has provided support, and that again is being tested 1317. So the corrective move that we're seeing on gold is putting all these arguments under pressure, and we've moved below the 1325 pivot. So I've been talking about 1325 to 1330 a lot in the last sort of few weeks, saying that is your mid-range pivot band of sort of $5 of support. And having broken below it, initially found support, turned below it, is now becoming the base of resistance. So 1325, 1330 is your sort of line of resistance. You'd argue sort of 1338 beyond that, which was a reaction high on Monday. My mistake, Tuesday. But the outlook is, as I said, deteriorating near term. You've got more corrective indicators here for sort of a drop towards the lower of the range, really. And below 1325, you'd argue there is more of a corrective outlook. So you'd sort of argue that looking at the RSI now and the MACD lines is more corrective, more lower highs, rallies being sold into. You'd say 1318 is a resistance. Sorry, as a pivot line support, having been supportive became resistance, and now again supportive yesterday. So that is your first line of support, but below that you'd sort of be testing the range lows again, 1308, 1306, and ultimately 1302. So it does look as though it's corrective, and we could now lose this bull argument, but I think it's just going to be that this medium-term range continues, and I expect buying towards the lows of the range anyway. But I just think we could now be sort of breaking down this long-term bull argument. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.